Hey guys, welcome back. Today on our 04 325 Xi BMW E46, we're going to be replacing that guy. Has this ever happened to you? Your display goes out, gets all pixelated. Well, we're just going to replace the unit. They're readily available, so I just picked up a used one that looks to be in decent condition. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this out and we're going to put a new one in. So come along, let's get this thing done. Let's see here. It's been a while since I've gotten into this, so I'm thinking this comes out. Look at that. This card's central. An air freshener central. We've got a golf tee. Get rid of all those. So I believe this will just pull straight out. Yeah. Just pull firmly to get that guy out. So now we just have to pop this out. Reach back around. And if I remember correctly, looking at this one, I see it just does have some pop tabs on there. It could take some force, I think, to get it out. So I was thinking if we took that bottom thing out, we can reach back there and just kind of pop it out that way. But there is a lip right here to where it's not allowing me to really get back there to where I can get some leverage on it. So we're going to try this way. Ooh. That might work. Maybe. There we go. Haha. Of course, non-marring, non-breaking tool works best. Oh. Now I can see there's a plastic piece right here. It's going up when I was trying to push. There's a group of wires back there that wasn't allowing that to happen. So really, we didn't have to remove that bottom piece, but I know how to get it out. So let's see what we've got here. 4 connections. Perfect, they should transfer over just fine. There we go. That guy right there is the hardest one to get out. It doesn't have a squeezer guy on there. So let's get this new one placed in. Let's hope for the best, shall we? So we'll put I'll go over here. I don't remember. black ones went on the one side here. Put it on this side. So, before we clip it back into place, here's the moment of truth. Well, I got other lights. There we go, guys. It looks like everything works the way it's supposed to. So we'll just clip that back in place. Don't forget, let's put our cubby back in that we didn't need to remove. Perfect. And we are set up and ready to go. So, if your display looks like this, where you got your pixels dying in there, quick and easy. I just picked this up off the off the eBay out of another 04. You know, they said the screen works, so we just went for it. All right, guys. If you like what you saw here, give us a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.